Hey everyone, myself Joshua. I am very glad to say you that I have done an internship task 1 from the SPARKS Foundation. The task is prediction using supervised machine learning. Let me get into the brief about it. It is like we are going to using the supervised machine learning algorithm to predict the score of a student who studied for 9.25 hours. That is the thing, and then the data can be found at this link. I have used the Google Colab online platform. So let's get into it. Yeah. As per required, I have imported all the necessary libraries here, starting from the pandas, numpy, and then I have got the URL from the link and then processed using the pandas data frame command like read CSV, since the data is in a CSV file. I have also successfully imported the data set, and then I have also viewed the data, whether what kind of shape it is, like we're using the head command inbuilt function, so that I could describe that it has 2 columns and then similar rows. The columns are hours and scores. We are going to use supervised machine learning to predict the hours, so that we could explore the scores that we get. So that I have started to predict how the data is organized in the data set, so that I have started to put the use the data visualization tool like inbuilt Python library as a matplotlib and a cbon. I have started to set the grid as dark grid, so that I like the dark color, and then I also kept various elements like title, label, x label and y label, and then I also plotted a simple plot where x-axis the hours are determined and then y-axis the scores, and then I have also used circles as the sizes, so that use a scatter plot. Yeah, it shows like it is a simple linear regression has been followed in this data set, so that I started to move, what can we find next, how can we draw the regression lines over that, so that I started to use the regression plot using the cbon library, and I also given the hours and scores at the x-axis and y-axis very easily, and then I could get a predicted thing. This was this goes. I started to define that. I have started to split the data sets into 2 plots like x and y, that are test and train. From the sklearn model selection, I have imported the train test split library, and then I have used this to split the data set into 2 with the test size of 0.2, that is 80% into 20%. I have also imported linear regression from the linear model from the sklearn library. I have also started to initialize the library here, and then I have also started to fit the data set into the regression line, and then for my understanding I have said that print training complete, so that I could get the output like training completed. So now we are going to predict the thing that we are going to test like that. When printing the X test, that is already recorded, and then I have also planned to propagate, or similarly parallelly I also plan to show the things that how the hours are predicted over the scores. Like that, I have also came to know that the actual value that was actually in the data set provided is similarly equal to the predicted data set, so that I got off understanding that how can we use the actual and predicted value, and then how could get the data set evaluated. So that I have also used that mean absolute error in this formula. I have also used these things as a mean absolute error is 4. This indicates that the chances of errors are less in the model, and I have also used R-squared method, so that the model accuracy is 94%. The model accuracy is good when it's near 100%. Yeah, it's quite a good number, so that we are moving. So that what is the original aim is to find the total number of scores what if the student studies for 9.25 hours. That is the thing. I have also given the set inside a series thing, and then I also predicted that, and then I got the prediction of linear regression over the hours, which was given manually here, so that it could print the predicted value with the print set statements. From this we could get that it has 94% of the predicted score for 9.25 hours. According to the simple regression model, if the student studies for 9.25 hours per day, his score is likely to score more or below approximately 94 marks. Here in this code you could also replace your own hours, like 10 hours per day, or what you would like to do. This is a fun part here. you could also get the scores, like how many scores you will get if you study more hours. My hypothesis is like that if you place more hours you will be getting more scores. Like if you place a 10, you will be getting around 95 something scores, positive scores. When you put like when the hours is like below 5 hours, the scores also trying to get reduced. That's the thing that I have learned from this task. Thanks to the TSF grip foundations, STARK foundations. Like I have also yet to explore the other various tasks in this list. Thanks. Bye bye. See you in another video. Bye.